In this video, I'm breaking down the best ways to handle storm damage when your landlord won't step up to fix it, and you need a quick, reliable DIY fix before bad weather hits. Alright, so if you've got a storm rolling in and your landlord is just giving you the runaround about fixing leaks or damage, don't stress too much. First off, you want to get some heavy-duty plastic sheeting or tarps from your local hardware store. Those things are lifesavers for covering holes or broken windows temporarily and keeping water out. Grab some waterproof duct tape too, because that stuff sticks like crazy and can hold the plastic in place even when the wind picks up. If you're dealing with small roof leaks, try roofing cement or patching tape. It's made for sealing cracks and can be applied quickly without any special tools. For windows, clear plastic film kits work wonders. They shrink tight over the glass when you use a hairdryer, sealing out drafts and rain. Also, invest in some sandbags or even heavy buckets filled with stones to place around doorways or low spots where water might seep in. Make sure to clean any surfaces before applying these materials so they stick better and last longer. And hey, if you're not super handy, don't hesitate to ask a friend for help or look up quick how-to videos online. Sometimes a little teamwork makes the job way easier and less stressful. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to fix storm damage themselves is rushing without prepping the area properly, like slapping on tape over wet or dirty surfaces, which just won't hold and can make leaks worse. Another common issue is using cheap or thin plastic that tears easily in strong winds. Always go for thicker tarps or contractor-grade plastic sheeting to keep everything sealed. Lastly, not securing the edges properly can let wind and water sneak underneath your temporary fixes, so use plenty of tape, nails, or weights to keep everything tight and in place. If you keep these points in mind, your DIY fix will stand a much better chance of holding up through the storm. If you're stuck trying to find reliable help beyond DIY, bighomeprojects.com is pretty solid. It connects homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who actually get the job done without the usual hassle. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself looking for work, it's a great place to find new clients who need your skills for projects just like this.